Welcome back to the Daily Drives, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of two wheels. If you love motorcycles and scooters as much as we do, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the urban scooter segment, the 2026 Honda PCX 125. A refined icon, now smarter, smoother, and more efficient than ever. Honda has always been a leader when it comes to urban mobility, and the PCX 125 has built a reputation over the years for being practical, stylish, and dependable. For 2026, Honda has taken that foundation and pushed it a little further with a series of updates that make this scooter more modern and commuter-friendly than ever. So what's new in the 2026 model? At first glance, you'll notice the styling has been subtly refined. The design language continues with that signature, flowing bodywork, but now there are sharper angles and a more aerodynamic profile. The LED lighting system has been updated for better visibility and energy efficiency. It now includes a sleeker headlamp and dynamic indicators that not only improve aesthetics, but also enhance safety during low-light conditions. Under the seat, the Honda PCX 125 continues to impress with ample storage space, enough to fit a full-face helmet or your daily essentials. The seat design is also more ergonomic, providing added comfort for longer rides, whether you're commuting through city traffic or cruising down suburban streets. Powering the PCX 125 is a refined 125cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that now meets even stricter Euro 6 emission standards. While the engine retains its SOHC configuration, Honda has worked on improving combustion efficiency, resulting in a smoother throttle response and slightly better fuel economy. You can expect around 130 to 140 miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions, which is impressive for its class. And with Honda's ESP Play, enhanced Smart Power Plus technology, the ride feels more refined and responsive than ever. One of the biggest improvements comes in the form of the Smart Key system and updated LCD instrument cluster. The Smart Key means no more fumbling with a physical key. Just keep the fob in your pocket and you're ready to go. The new display offers clearer readouts of your speed, fuel level, trip info, and more, with a stylish and user-friendly layout. There's even a USB-C charging port conveniently located in the front glove box, so you can keep your devices charged on the go. The Honda PCX 125 also continues to lead in ride quality. The double rear shocks have been tweaked for better damping, which means a smoother experience over potholes and uneven roads. The frame remains a steel underbone type, which offers good rigidity, while keeping the overall weight manageable. At around 130 kilograms, it's light enough for new riders, but solid enough for seasoned commuters. When it comes to safety, Honda hasn't cut any corners. The PCX 125 features a front disc brake with ABS as standard and a rear drum brake, offering balanced stopping power in urban conditions. While it might not be built for high-speed performance, it's perfect for city traffic, where control and reliability are more important than raw speed. Another standout feature is the Honda idling stop system, which automatically shuts off the engine when you're at a red light or in traffic for a while. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces emissions and noise, contributing to a cleaner and quieter ride. A simple twist of the throttle brings the engine back to life instantly, thanks to the ACG starter that makes the whole process seamless and silent. So, who is the 2026 Honda PCX 125? Who 25 really for? If you're a city dweller looking For a reliable daily commuter, or maybe a student or young professional who needs something efficient and easy to maneuver, this scooter is a top contender. It offers a great balance of practicality, modern features, and legendary Honda reliability, all wrapped in a sleek and stylish package. For those looking at alternatives, sure, there are other 125cc scooters out there, but few match the Honda PCX in terms of build quality, resale value, and overall user satisfaction. Whether you're riding, solo, or occasionally carrying a passenger, the PCX handles both scenarios with confidence and comfort. And with Honda's extensive dealership and service network, maintenance is never a hassle. You get peace of mind knowing parts are easily available and service centers are widely accessible. All in all, the 2026 Honda PCX 125 is a smart update to an already winning formula. It might not be the flashiest scooter on the road, but it continues to set the benchmark in its segment. Stylish, efficient, and loaded with useful features, it remains one of the best options for daily commuting and urban adventures. Thanks for riding with us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more content coming your way on all the latest in scooters, motorcycles, and everything in between. Until next time, stay safe, ride smart, and keep your wheels turning. See you in the next video.